Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on wallpaper and theme. Now you need to choose theme at the bottom in the middle and click on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Now select download. Wait a couple of seconds or minutes, it depends. And click on apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you need to access the same settings. Click on theme section again and click on one of those two. In my case, this one. Now select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!